Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiarie Prestige, all the way from United States of America. And today we have one of us who brings a reggae show, gospel reggae show, by the name Linus. Sojaman, he is with us, and we are going to have an inclusive interview. Stay tuned. Okay, hi, Linus.
Hi.
Yeah, you are one of us here at FGTN. Can you say hi to our viewers and listeners before we start our inclusive interview?
Good morning, our listeners. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are listening us from. It's another beautiful day that the Lord has given to us so that we can be glad and rejoice in it. My name is Linus, or Linus, whatever you call me. I don't really mind about the pronunciation. I'm your presenter for a reggae show, reggae gospel show. Thank you.
Okay, were you a broadcaster there before, or you have started here at FGTN?
I was not a broadcaster before,
Okay.
But I had that feeling of loving music. And when this chance came from Dr. Gezuku and the FGTN school, I thought it is a good chance for me to start.
Tell us about this short journey about broadcasting.
The short journey for the short period of time that we have just started with the broadcasting, it is rebuilding myself because it's taking me ahead to listen to different kind of music, to listen to different messages from the music so that I can be able to listen and to get to our viewers.
By the way, what's the name of your show?
My show is Reggae Gospel Show.
What inspired you to that? And also to join FGTN TV in America?
The reason why I inspired me to do the Reggae Gospel Show, because as a young generation from a certain age, so many people and the Gen Z and the millennium are into reggae music. So I decided if I can go to Reggae Gospel Show, I can be able to reach them in a gospel way.
Did your faith influence you to a gospel show in a television?
Yes, I'm being brought up in a Christian way, and my faith has taken me to that direction whereby I need to do the gospel music because it has a message.
Okay, what's the main purpose for your show?
My main purpose is to reach as many people through preaching, through the music. Because music is one of the things that makes people to understand the gospel. The Bible says when they closed the Red Sea, they started worshiping the Lord, so that we can be able to worship the Lord through music.
Who is your target population?
My target population is all the Christians who are ready to change and adapt to the worship of us through the songs.
What messages, or what is the message you want people to take home after watching your show?
The message that I want people to take home is that you can be able to reach, because when you play, you take yourself to God. But when we worship, you put the God comes to you. So when we worship together, we're gonna go at our different places, different direction with the worship, and you'll never forget about the song, about the message which was on the song.
Do you think television programs spread the gospel?
Yes. Nowadays or currently, everything is on social media. So many people are watching, name it TikToks, Instagram, Facebook, and the TV. So this FGTN TV show is one of the greatest things that's going to be able to reach so many people, and especially when it comes to America, and we're going to try to mix it in Swahili because we don't have any station in America talking about gospel music in Swahili. So you're going to be able to translate into different languages, so that you can be able to reach so many people in different countries.
Have you received any feedback from your viewers? And if yes, can you share a testimony one or two viewers give you?
There's so many people who are calling me after the first show that we did, which was about less than a few minutes. So many people are calling me and saying, hey, you guys have started a new TV station, which is speaking about the gospel show, gospel music. So many people are eager to see when it's going to be able to incorporate everybody so that they can be able to do so many things on the gospel FGTN TV show.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are hosting Rinas Sojaman. Sojaman. So we're gonna go for a short break. Please don't touch that dial. Stay tuned. We'll be back shortly. Thank you. Welcome back. Welcome back. We continue with.
In a world connected by dreams and aspirations, how do we bridge the distances between us? At Fulbright Theological Seminary, we believe the answer begins with a shared vision. We are a global community, bringing together voices from every country, students and leaders all united in a single purpose. Our mission is to provide theological excellence without borders, combining timeless wisdom with modern innovation. Imagine joining a vibrant classroom from anywhere in the world, connecting with brilliant minds and dedicated men. Here, faith is put into action. We are equipping a new generation of leaders to inspire, to serve, and to transform their communities and nations. This is more than just an education. It's a calling to make a global impact. Fulbright Theological Seminary. Reaching the world, shaping tomorrow's leaders. Join.
With our interview. Maybe Linus, I can ask you, have you encountered any challenges in this? I know it's very new, it's a new thing you are doing. Have you encountered any challenges?
Yes. We have challenges when everything is starting. We have challenges on how to do the mixing of the music and selecting of the songs, because we don't want to do what we call the copyright. We are also looking at the music that we don't want to be taken out of the YouTube or out of any station because we didn't follow the right procedure. So we have so many challenges. We also need the equipment so that we can have a good mixture of the songs so that we can be able to see and our viewers can be able to see in a clear vision.
Okay, as a pastor, how do you balance your media professionalism and your spirituality?
The Bible says, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. So when we have the knowledge of what is going on through the media and what we need to do as a person, we try to balance them together. But our aim is to do the best thing. When we get to know the truth will set us free, and we're going to be able to balance to each and every our personal life and the media personality.
Okay, has FGTN TV touched the community and the viewers in any way?
Oh yeah, the FGTN is something that you need to show. Wherever you are, my viewers, FGTN is one of the TV that is coming up and is touching so many people as much as you can be able to see. Check on the YouTube, check on the number of the viewers, and you can be able to say.
Okay, what is your broadcasting future in the media?
Our goals in this media.
You as a person. Yeah.
The goals and the aim of FGTN now as a presenter in the gospel music is to reach as many people as we can through the world, and we get to reach them in a different languages. So as much as we can be able to reach so many people in the world, spread the gospel of Christ, spread the gospel of Jesus, that is our happiness.
Do you have any advice you can give to young men who want to join Christian broadcasting?
Yes.
Ministry, yeah.
Yes. Listen to the Spirit. You can do better. Young generation, you can do better than what we are doing. We are just setting the base. We are just setting the steps. You can join in FGTN TV and you can bring up all the talents that you have. And FGTN TV, the president, Dr. Gezuku, and the rest, they can embrace what you have and they can nurture you to the person that you want to be.
Before we wind up our program, what message would you like to give to our viewers today? Or what message would you like them to take home after this interview?
Our viewers, wherever you are listening to us, I would like you to take this message. First thing I would like you to do as a favor, if you are listening to me, touch the button, subscribe, then share, then press the bell so that you can be able to see any session that comes out any show that we brings in the different categories of shows from Monday to Friday. There are so many things that you can be able to see from our TV show. And wherever you are, I'm double sure you're gonna get blessed.
Okay, yeah, I heard you tell the viewer to subscribe. What are your platforms? Where do they go to listen to your programs? What are the platforms for GPA, FGT, and TV?
We have a YouTube on FGTN TV. We also, I think we have TikTok, FGTN, and we have the Facebook. Those three handles you can be able to reach FGTN TV, and you can be able to listen to so many programs. You can choose from the parenting to so many programs that FGTN TV is bringing, and I'm sure you're going to be blessed.
Do you have any word to your colleagues at FGTN here in America, in Pakistan, in Kenya, in Africa, and those who you are working with, and also the management of FGTN
The first thing
TV?
I want to say, I want to thank you, Kiarie Prestige, for being our host and directing us in the way that we need to do this in studio. The second thing I want to say, thank you to Dr. Francis Giduku, is the vision carrier of the FGTN TV, and all the people that are involved in this TV show, Dr. Susan in Kenya, Dr. Zioka in Kenya, and there's so many people that are the members of FGTN TV in Pakistan, in French, in so many countries, 17 countries that are listening to FGTN TV. I want to say, don't give up. Sky is the limit.
What do you tell our media director, Susan?
Media director Susan, thank you so much for giving us the right direction. You're not, I know you're not sleeping day and night, looking at what you are doing, trying to direct us in a way so that you can be perfect and in a professional way. Wherever you are, kudos.
Rina Nankunda,
our
producer.
Asante sana producer, wherever you are, for being behind the camera. I know people are not seeing you. On behalf of the viewers, on the behalf of our listener, bravo.
Yeah, you remember our Rina Nankunda, the first one, he was doing this. God's daughter was doing this.
Oh, she's God's daughter.
Your parting shot?
May the Lord bless you and keep you. Listen to FGTN TV. Choose the so many programs that you are bringing in, and you're going to be blessed. We salute you.
This is Kiarie Prestige, all the way from Lakewood, Washington, United States of America. Until next time, shalom, bye-bye.
Thank you so much for having me.
In a world connected by dreams and aspirations, how do we bridge the distances between us? At Fulbright Theological Seminary, we believe the answer begins with a shared vision. We are a global community, bringing together voices from every country, students and leaders all united in a single purpose. Our mission is to provide theological excellence without borders, combining timeless wisdom with modern innovation. Imagine joining a vibrant classroom from anywhere in the world, connecting with brilliant minds and dedicated men. Here, faith is put into action. We are equipping a new generation of leaders to inspire, to serve, and to transform their communities and nations. This is more than just an education. It's a calling to make a global impact. Fulbright Theological Seminary. Reaching the world, shaping tomorrow's leaders. Join